Today we are going on to section 10.4, which is conversion of units of volume. Now, 1 meter cube is 1 million cm cube. Okay? All of us already know that 1 ml is 1 cm cube. 1 liter is 1000 cm cube, which is also equals to 1000 ml. And this is something new for you. 1 meter cube is actually 1000 liters. Okay? You have to remember this, and this. Alright, now actually, how to remember 1 meter cube? You know that 1 meter is 100 cm. So when you have 1 meter cube, now there are 2 zeros here. When you times 3, it becomes 6 zeros. Okay, so 3 times. So 2 0 become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. So that's how you convert this. Alright, you have to remember this, and this. Okay, then let's move on to example 10. Convert the following. Now, they say 1.5 meter cube to cm cube. I put 1 meter cube is 1 million cm cube first. Then 1.5 meter cube will be 1 million over 1 times 1.5. I will get 1,500,000 cm cube. Now, bear in mind, you line them up. Meter cube, cm cube, cm cube. Then you always take this over this times this, it will give you the final answer. Okay, now in part B, they want it the other way round. Okay, cm cube to meter cube. Now, we know that 1 meter cube is 1 million cm cube. So if we write 1 million cm cube is equals to 1 meter cube is also okay. That means we write this conversion the other way round. Then I write this down here. Can you see that I've lined up my cm cube? So it will be 1 over 1 million times 300,000. 1 over 1 million times 300,000, I'll get 0.3 meter cube. So we always line them up, and then we take this over this times this. Okay? Now next part C. This one should be quite familiar because we've done it in our primary school before. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 2.4 liter will be 1000 divided by 1 times 2.4. Now, can you see I always line up? Liters, milliliters. Okay? Now, part D. Convert 0.3 meter cube to liters. 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. We have memorized just now. So 0.3 meter cube will be 1000 over 1 times 0.3. Now, can you see I again line up meter cube, liter, liter. Then you will not make the mistake. Okay, so this is how we do the conversion. Alright? Let's look at try 10 now. Convert the following. Can you see I write 1 meter cube, 1 million cm cube? I put the meter cube here, line up, this over this times this. I will get the answer when you key in the calculator. Okay? Likewise for part B, I line up, I take this over this times this. I will get the answer 0.5 meter cube. The method is always the same, but please make sure you line them up properly. Okay? Now 1 liter is 1000 ml, so 1.25 liter, this over this times this, I'll get this answer for part C. Part D, 1 meter cube is 1000 liters, so 0.5 meter cube, this over this times this, I will get the answer. So remember, when we do the conversion, first we line them up, we write the correct conversion, then we take this over this times this in order to get the answer. Okay? Alright, so that will conclude our try 10. Now, let's look at example 11. Okay? This is slightly different from previously. Now, a factory has water tank in the shape of a cuboid. The tank is completely filled with water. That means it's fully filled with water. Find the volume of the water in the tank in meters cube. And all the water in the tank is used to fill 0.5 liter bottles. How many bottles can be filled completely? Now, the volume of this is a cuboid, so it's length times breadth times height. Now, note that the question wants us to give the answer in meter cube. Now, this is in meter, but this is in cm. We convert it to meters first, to 0.9 meters. So the volume will be length times breadth times height, all in meters. So my final answer will be in meters cubed. Alright, now then we use the conversion because this one is in liters, 0.5 liters bottles. So we convert 2.16 meter cube to liters first. We know that 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. 2.16 meter cube will be 1000 over 1 times 2.16, which will be 2160 liters. Okay, now since one bottle is 0.5, we take this 2160 divided by 0.5, I will get 4320 liters. Okay, so this is how we work out example 11. Okay, now the next question is a similar question to work example 11. Alright, let's take a look at it. Try 11. The factory in work example 11 has another water tank in the shape of cuboid. They give you a new cuboid. Okay, answer the questions in work example 11 using the dimensions of this tank. Now, meters, this is cm, so we change to meters like just now. So we take 3 times 0.8 times 2, you'll get a 4.8 meters cube. Then B, 1 meter cube is 1000 liter, 4.8 meters cube. We'll do the same thing, we will get 4800 liters. So number of bottles will be 4800 divided by 0.5, we will get a 9600 bottles of water. Okay, so this is exactly the same as how we worked out work example 11. Alright, so this is an application of how we can use the volume of a cuboid in order to find out the answers to real life context questions. Okay, so this will conclude the section on conversion between units of volume, which is section 10.4 of your textbook.